For this video, we're just going to sort of give an overview of what a SimPath is. So when you click on the link to the SimPath from Blackboard, it's going to open up a web page that looks a lot like this, where you have 3 steps. Your first step is to take the pretest. The pretest is like completing a let me try on several tasks. So let's go ahead and open this up. And so it'll load for a moment and then it'll give you all of the features of that SimPath. How much time you have, how many attempts you have, okay? And then you click on I agree that I have complied with the integrity policy as outlined by my school and course syllabus. So you click on Start Exam. Once you get here, your instructions are up at the very top in the black area. Then along the right side, you have how many questions are included, along with if you need to make the font larger, use the plus sign to increase, the minus sign to decrease the font size. And so it tells you how many attempts you have. So you just simply follow those instructions. And once you follow the instructions, it will automatically move to the next question in this subset of questions. So then once you confirm, you submit everything and move on to the next. Of course, you don't want to use the X here. I'm actually trying to get out of this, but I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And although I don't have every question answered, I'm just going to click submit exam. So it's going to tell me exactly what I got right versus what I got wrong here. All right. So I'm going to go back to the start. And now, based upon what I have missed in the pretest, I get a customized lesson that will help me on those tasks that I missed. So you click on take lesson, and it's a lot like the sim book where you have the show me, the guide me, and the let me try. So let's click on into there. And so you have one for each one that you missed. Okay. So I'm going to exit. So once you complete taking the lesson, then it's going to give you a post test. And this is testing you on only those tasks that you missed from the pretest and that you got some remediation in the part 2 here, taking the lesson. All right. So for each question in both the pretest and the post test, you get 2 attempts. And you get a certain amount of time based upon your accessibility accommodations. Okay. And then once you finish taking the post test, it will give you a grade. Now, what happens is Professor Jacob takes the best grade or the highest grade that you earn between the pretest and the post test. The lesson is merely practice for you or remediation to help you to do better on the post test than you did on the pretest. So the highest score between the post test and the pretest is the grade you will earn for your SimPath.